Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Audible on iPhone. So, first of all, you want to go to your App Store, which is this icon right here. And then you just want to click on the search bar and type Audible. And this is going to be this icon right here. As you can see, I do have already downloaded it. But if you don't, just click download and then you are going to be asked for your verification, like the Face ID or just the password to your Apple ID account. And once you download it, you just open the app Audible that is going to be on your screen, and then just log in to your Audible with your email and the password. If you don't have it, you can create a new account, and this is very simple. Just go to sign up for the Audible on the application. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.